To get started on this bouquet, let's talk about the materials we have. So we have some ruscus leaves, some eucalyptus seeds, a purple rose, and some hypericum berries. And the key to assembling boutonnieres is to dry fit all your materials together to see how you like them before you actually tape them. So we have these leaves here. We did strip off some of the lower leaves on the ruscus, and now we have the portion that we would like to use. And I will start off with the berries and see how I would like them against the leaves, since this is more on the background. And I don't want too many leaves, so I'll go ahead and pull these leaves off of the hypericum berries. And then from there, I will remove some of these berries, but just for now, I'm going to place the rose against it just to see how it all looks together and decide which berries I would like to remove. And actually, it seems that the majority of the berries look great together. It's not overwhelming, but maybe I would like to move the berries up a little bit higher on the ruscus leaves. And then it would be pretty to insert these seeds behind here in that space between the berries. And then I'll take one last look at it and place my hand as if it was against the lapel to see if I like that look. And it looks great to me. So I will go ahead and tape this together with some floral tape. I'll start taping it from the top of the stems. And with this floral tape, you want to stretch on the tape slightly as you are wrapping it around the stems, because that will release some of the adhesive that is within the floral tape so that it sticks upon itself. And then once I get down to about 1.5 inches, I will cut all the stems to the same size. And then I will continue wrapping and wrapping beyond the bottom of where the stem is cut, so that I can fold the tape over those stems and help to keep the stems hydrated. And then I'll go ahead and continue wrapping up the stems a little bit just to make sure that I have a nice, good wrap down there. And then if you just pull on this tape, it will rip. And then just fold or press down on that tape just to have a nice clean look there. So at this point, you can add whatever ribbon you'd like, maybe pink or purple or even green if you just like it to match. I do know that some folks don't mind having the tape here. It's not really sticky, it's just ever so slightly sticky. So there you go, a finished boutonniere.